In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and manage access to templates in DocuSign. Whether you're working on a small project or a larger team initiative, being able to seamlessly share and collaborate on templates can make a big difference in productivity. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser and log into your DocuSign account. If you don't have an account already, don't worry, you can sign up for free on the DocuSign website. But assuming you have your credentials ready, go ahead and enter those to access your dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Templates section. This is where DocuSign has consolidated all the templates available to you, allowing you to efficiently manage and utilize them. Now, when you're in the Templates section, browse through the list and select a template that you want to share with your team. Clicking on it will open up more options for you. Look out for the option to either share or manage access. Different versions or updates of the software might label this a bit differently, but either button will get you to the same place. Once you've clicked on the relevant button, you'll be able to add team members with whom you'd like to share the template. This is as easy as entering their email addresses. It's important to ensure you have the correct email addresses so that your team members receive the access without any hitches. This feature is especially useful if you're constantly collaborating with a set group of individuals or if new members need to be added regularly. Now let's talk about permissions. DocuSign empowers you to decide the level of access your team members will have. You can assign permissions based on what each team member needs, such as view-only rights, edit capabilities, or even full send permissions, which allow them to send documents on behalf of the organization. Think strategically about each person's role in your team to make the most out of these options. Finally, remember that sharing and managing templates is not just about setting it up and forgetting it. It's a dynamic process where collaboration is key. Regularly communicate with your team to update and improve the templates as needed. Whether it's adding new fields, tweaking existing ones, or enhancing the design, continuous improvement will ensure that your templates remain relevant and efficient. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sharing and managing access to DocuSign templates. Following these steps will help streamline your workflow, improve team collaboration, and ultimately lead to a more productive work environment. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.